So I nearly pulled the plug on this entire project until one phone call changed everything. So if you haven't checked out my first video, then go and check that out. I'll put the link in here. I'm looking to build my own resin drive without any experience. Now, my drive is in a pretty bad state. It's been left for quite some time after we did a considerable extension on the house. To be honest, we've got weeds growing through the block pavias. We put tarmac road planings down that look awful and get really hot and sticky in the summer. And it's time to sort this drive out and get something done and make it look nice. Now, I got a bit disheartened this week and I hit a bit of a wall. I'd been looking for a supplier to work with in order to help and support me with this resin drive install. I'd reached out to a couple of companies. Honestly felt like this project just wasn't going to get going. Initially, I reached out to Derbyshire Aggregates. Initial phone call seemed really positive that they were hopefully going to work with me, be the company that was going to support me through this process. But they never came back to me after our initial conversation. I've rang them several times, have had no response, and to be honest, I've just given up with it. I would rather them have just rang and said, look, no, we can't work with you. And that's absolutely fine. But to just ignore it, that's just annoying. The next company I spoke to was Resin Mill. And to be honest, the whole experience I thought was pretty poor. They were very dismissive. I almost felt like they belittled my channel, that we weren't big enough to work with them, and just dismissed me pretty much. And that's absolutely fine if they didn't want to work with me, but they possibly could have delivered that in a slightly nicer way. So based on that experience, it's probably a company that maybe doesn't align with me, and actually the experience, I probably wouldn't want to work with them anyway. And to be honest, I wouldn't use them even if I needed to buy materials, because I just thought the customer service was pretty poor. So at this point, I genuinely thought that the project was dead, and this wasn't going to happen. And all that changed in one phone call. So I spoke to a company called Durabound, who are based up in Middlesbrough, Stockton on Tees. I spoke to a guy called Leighton on the phone, and he was absolutely brilliant. He was really helpful to start off with. I explained what I was trying to do and what I was trying to achieve. Straight away, they were on board with it. They wanted to support me. They were really interested in what I was doing. And they've offered to help and support me through this build process. And that was absolutely great. That was exactly what I was looking for from a company. Just somebody that could give me some training, give me some advice, put me in the right pathway. And I really feel like we sort of gelled, and they know exactly what I'm trying to achieve. What have Durabound actually agreed to help me with? Well, first of all, they've agreed to put me on their practical training course for their resin install, absolutely free, which is absolutely brilliant. That's a great start. So their training course is a part classroom in the morning, and then the rest of the day is spent doing practical work with the material. So you're actually laying the resin, you're getting a feel for the material, they're teaching and explaining to you how to work with it, what the process is and what you need to do, which is exactly what I need, because I've got no experience in what I'm doing at all. On top of that, they've agreed to give me some support and advice along the way as I go through this project, which is vital for me, because I've no doubt that at some point I'm going to get stuck somewhere and I'm going to need some advice from some professionals or people that know what they're doing. Durabound run their courses on the last Thursday of every month. Now, they've got a course that actually is next week, but I think that's a little bit too soon. Now, the next course after that is on the 25th of June, which, to be honest, would be absolutely perfect. But I've got a problem. It's the wife's birthday. And I'm sure she doesn't want to spend the day with me laying resin for her birthday. So I think that's pretty much out of the question. Otherwise, I'll be out of the question. So the next date after that would be the end of July. So that is potentially going to be the course date for me. But that also gives me a little bit of time to delve into the resin drives and the resin bound install and work out and do a bit of research on how I'm actually going to do this and how the material works, and do as much info and research as I can before I actually get to the training day and before I start this project. So if you're thinking about doing a resin drive, a resin pathway, or you want to do a training course, then check out Durabound. I'll put a link below on the screen here, and also check out in the comments, I'll put a link to all of their information below. They've been absolutely brilliant. And the guys there have got loads and loads of knowledge. They've been doing this for a long time. So these are the perfect company that I think for anybody that is looking to do any kind of resin driveway or get some information, then check them out. Give them a call and I'm sure they can help you out. If you're enjoying the content and you want to see whether or not I can actually build this resin drive, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.